In today's video, we're making this, a split top saw bench. This was actually made from a 2x10 or 2x12 that I cut up into several pieces, and it's just been acclimatizing here in my basement workshop for like half a year at this point, but figured it's about time to actually get to building this. But I continued cleaning these up after I turned off the camera, and I got all of these four fitting nicely. Now it's time to move on to the stretchers. I've been looking at what I'm going to use for the feet. Like these are the same width as these, but I think I need to narrow these down a bit because it's going to be a bit too much. And I'm going to do that on the table saw. So cut to length and made a bit more narrow, avoiding the major knot holes. So I think that makes the proportions a bit better. Just the width and stuff. And there we are, the completed saw bench. Now after the glue up, I did do some quick sanding to clean it up a bit and make it look pretty. I'm probably not going to put any finish on it. I might put some linseed oil on it eventually, but for now I'm just going to leave it raw unfinished wood. Now, what is this thing anyways, and how do you use it? So if the name wasn't obvious enough, it's a bench you use for sawing wood. But anyways, this is much lower than my workbench, and that's on purpose. Now, why don't we do a cross cut and a rip cut on this piece of alder just to show how it works. You just put your knee on it, and that puts you in a very ergonomic position to saw, and then you just go to town. And I figure I could show you the center too, or how you can cut through the middle. Now this is not maybe the perfect example to show why you need this one, because very few scenarios we actually do need this. There's nothing preventing me from just sawing this on this side, but for some pieces, maybe not this one, but you might want support on both sides of the cut, and that makes the split top very useful. Or clamping through it. It all depends on what's most ergonomic and feels best when you're doing it for you. There we go. Some quick planing, and this would be a nice jointed edge. You can square up things, whatever you were making with this. I'm excited to put this to use in other projects and actually make something nice soon, not just shop furniture. Now, if you watched this far, thank you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment while you're at it. Subscribe if you want more videos, and I will see you guys in the next video.